How to let MagicMock behave like a Dict. Mock this URL is a great tool in Python for unit test. It can conveniently mock a method or class or Dict, but I encountered a problem which I couldn't find a straightforward way to deal with by mock. This is the function to be tested. Argument responses is a Dict-like object which has some other attributes such as redundant error responses, except Dict inherent features. Now I want to construct a mock responses to let it in responses to be true and it in responses.redundant error responses to be false. This is what I do. But error occurred. So how can I construct a MagicMock object meanwhile can iterate like a Dict, or how can I construct a Dict meanwhile support MagicMock features that attribute freely?
Why mess around with _eta underscore? It seems to me that you want to mess with underscore contains underscore.
You can always just create some silly class to do the same thing.
Force Hochgang, plus 4